just feel free to ask. And if everyone's ready, we can start walking to the hot springs. Sounds good? Yeah? All right. From this one over here. If you look to the back, you'll see a wooden house in Fontana with the steam coming out on the top. And I'm gonna open this just a little so you can see how hot the sand gets. You can touch it if you want, yeah.
Ooh. Yeah. Ooh.
So these piles and the hot sand are. Ooh. And here is our pot. So we cool this way. We cool down the bread and we wash the pot at the same time. And this is exactly how we make sure the sides are covered so the sand can transfer all the heat. So I like to
There's a rye bridge for right now. Oh, look, they already fished it out of there.
It's different.
Different?
Yummy.